Work is changing faster than at any time in history, not because of offices or remote jobs, but because of artificial intelligence. Tasks that once needed teams now need one person. Skills that took years can now be learned in weeks. And many jobs are being redefined, not replaced. In this video, we'll look at how AI tools are changing the way people work across writing, design, video, coding, and daily productivity. No exaggeration, just real changes happening right now. Writing used to be slow. Emails, reports, scripts, and documents took hours. AI tools like ChatGPT now help people write faster and clearer. People use AI to draft emails, write articles, prepare presentations, summarize meetings. Real change. Instead of starting from a blank page, workers start with a complete draft. They edit instead of writing from scratch. This doesn't remove thinking, it removes wasted time. Writers become editors. Managers communicate better. Small teams produce more work. Video editing was once a technical skill. Now it's becoming a workflow. AI video tools help people turn scripts into videos, add captions automatically, match visuals with text. Instead of learning complex software, people focus on ideas and structure. Real change marketing teams create more content. Educators publish lessons faster. Solo creators compete with studios. The job shifts from editing frames to shaping messages. Design used to require years of practice. Now AI helps non-designers create visuals. AI image tools generate thumbnails, social media graphics, concept art. This doesn't remove designers. It changes their role. Real change. Designers focus on creative direction. Non-designers can still create acceptable visuals. Creativity becomes more accessible, not less valuable. Work is not just tasks, it's planning, organizing, and tracking. AI inside tools like Notion helps people organize projects, plan content, summarize notes, track progress. Real change. Less mental clutter. More focus. People spend less time managing work and more time doing it. Coding used to mean memorizing syntax and fixing errors. AI coding assistants now suggest code, explain bugs. Speed up development. This changes how developers work. Real change. Developers think more about logic and systems. Less time is spent on repetitive tasks. Small teams build faster. Solo developers ship products. AI tools are not replacing people. They are changing how people work. The future belongs to those who adapt, learn, use tools intelligently. AI doesn't remove effort. It removes friction. And the people who understand this early will have a serious advantage.